Good morning. Today we are going to see an important area. The Anni Domina and before Christ is now became before Corona or after Corona. This judgment was dated 14/1/2020 before Corona. Therein a lot of discussions were there. See, year 2020, Kerala 87, our Chief Justice S. Manikumar and Saji P. Chale J. Qualified Private Medical Practitioner Association Kottayam vs. Union of India filed a writ petition. Article 226, Food Safety and Standards Act, Section 16, Article 21, 25, 26 were deeply discussed. The writ prayer was directing respondent 1 to 5 to ensure that hygienic practices are followed in all religious institutions, including churches, under respondent 6 to 10, where food is distributed, and to ensure such distribution is only to save food within the meaning of Food and Security Act. The several grounds were raised. One of the ground was unhealthy practice of administering Holy Sacrament commemorating the Last Supper of Jesus Christ by distributing bread and wine in Christian churches. They say priest serve wine from a single chalice using the same spoon into the mouth of every communicant. They serve it with their own hand. Saliva contamination was possible. Saliva droplets in the air also possible. They say they are not acting in accordance with the represented by the petitioner is violation of Article 14 and 21 of Constitution of India. There are several representations were sent, and some of the such promised to follow hygienic procedure, but majority of the people cared about the requisition. Section 3.1 of discuss about what is consumer, and they are discussed about the consumer. 2K, that says human consumption. Food has been defined. Then food business was also defined. Manufacture has been defined. Premises is also defined. Then they say that according to Food Standard Act, action should be taken. Section 16 deals with duties of the functions of the Food Authority. It is the duty of the Food Authority to regulate and monitor manufacture, processing, distribution, sale and import of food as to ensure safe and wholesome food. But this area distribution may not be coming under sale and import of food. That was not argued in the given case. Section 18, they say the central government, state government to implement the provisions of the Act to endure to achieve appropriate level of protection of human life. Then they have discussed about the history of this supply, Holy Sacrament, Eucharist. They say before he was arrested, Lord Jesus has supplied this bread and wine, stating that this is my body for remembrance of me, and the wine was, this cup is a new covenant in my blood. That was the Jesus' predictions. Some judgments were also discussed. Pattanatham versus State of Kerala 2011 3 KLT 257. about Makara Joji and the Ponnambalam case, wherein they say the court has no power to deal with that. They say they should exclude any adjudication unless and until public order, morality and health are affected. Then they have discussed about Article 26 and 25, which deals with freedom of conscience and right to freely profess, practice and propagate religion. Then they have discussed about Chako versus Union of India 2092 KLT 291 AR 2018 Kerala 166. Then about practice of confession. They say it is not universal, but the episcopal churches have the practice of confession directly to the priest. That is a different thing. This is not coming under that. Then they say that we have no doubt that authorities empowered to interfere with the practice of propagated and followed by the Christian denomination in respect of holy sacraments, subject to restrictions specified in Article 25 and 26 of the Constitution, otherwise in accordance with law. They say that the practice of receiving holy sacrament by members of religious denomination is the personal liberty of the members and well protected under Article 21. Then they finally say it is their duty to see that hygienic procedure is followed, and further the petitioner did not brought any facts or events to say that this practice indulged in unhygienic problem. Therefore, they have dismissed the petition. Now, question arose. The recent SOPs directed to be followed before religious denomination, they say that you are prohibited from offering prasadams and flowers, a lot of things. Whether that SOP is overcoming this judgment or not, it is up to you to decide. If this judgment whether could be reviewed by the very same High Court judge is also up to the petitioner therein to decide, because of the recent pandemic situations prevailing, particularly which commenced at Kerala state. And there are several events that this distribution of sacrament, holy sacrament, wine and bread spread the corona to the person, commemorates who attended the prayer meeting. Therefore, that fact was also not brought to the notice of the Kerala Division Bench judgment. Then it is up to the petitioner to discuss about the provisions that whether there was a sale or purchase, but distribution is there. Therefore, this sacrament practice, distributing wine and bread, is coming under distribution. So that area should also be reviewed by the Honorable High Court of Kerala Ernakulam. I therefore request all to go through the judgment, and this judgment, if anybody want to object about distribution of prasadam in other religious denominations or endowment, you can cite this judgment and the verdict and the ratio adopted and followed by the Kerala High Court. So I humbly request you all to go through deeply the judgment and be prepared to file public interest litigation, and subject to your conscience about the world health and the future generation. Now which the World Health Organization alerted that there is possibility of affecting corona to the children from the aging 12 to 30 years. So it is very serious about it. All think about all those things and do whatever you want academically, and this judgment must go. Best wishes.